How to define professionalism. Professionalism is defined through countless experiments, is about breaking the rules, and is about leading innovation. GVM, a subsidiary of Huizhou Latu Photographic Equipment Company, Limited, was founded in 2013. It is an international-level high-tech enterprise that integrates research, design, manufacturing, and sales. The company specializes in LED film and video lights, sliders, and other photography accessories. GVM, derived from the pursuit of great video maker, is an international leading brand focused on providing professional film, video lighting products, and integrated solutions for intelligent film and video scene applications to global imaging professionals. Driven by engineers' dedication and purity towards products and technology, GVM empowers dream-chasing creators worldwide with premium affordability products. Having cultivated its presence in the film and video equipment industry for many years, GVM caters to photography enthusiasts and industry professionals in various fields such as live streaming, photography, advertising production, and film production. It provides a multi-dimensional range of professional equipment, including consumer-grade and industrial-grade solutions. With leading technology, efficiency, and scale as a mission, GVM boasts a 20,000 square meter production facility. Through intelligent automation production and stringent quality management systems, GVM is committed to delivering products of exceptional quality and premium affordable prices. 2022 was a year of milestone advancement for GVM, with the completion of the Industry 4.0 Smart Manufacturing Production Base, the completion of the brand image upgrade, and the further expansion of the elite team. GVM's brand coverage extends to China, the United States, the European Union, the United Kingdom, and Japan. With online support and hundreds of services worldwide, GVM provides meticulous and comprehensive services to users. With dozens of design patents and hundreds of utility model patent certificates, GVM, walking alongside light, showcasing the radiant essence of Eastern culture on the global stage. With a commitment to intelligent manufacturing, GVM strives to fulfill its vision of becoming a world-class Chinese brand, shaping a brighter future.